I want to take a quick look at the overall workspace before we jump in and start creating tracks and making music. So, in this overall empty workspace that we're looking at now, we have a series of tools across the top for different functions. We have a time or bar ruler across the top, measuring time in bars and beats. And we have different panels that can be hidden or shown either with buttons on the interface or key commands. Now, we can use the F keys on the keyboard. F1 will bring up help. And if I hit F2, it's going to bring up an edit panel at the bottom, and this can be freely resized. And of course, there's nothing to show right now, but F2 will hide or show that, or we can use this edit button over here. Now, F3 opens up Mixer, and again, there's no tracks or channels to show, but F3 will toggle that, or we can use this Mix button. F4 hides or shows an inspector over here with different parameters related to the events and the tracks that are selected, and F4 will hide or show that, or we can use this I key. F5 hides or shows the browser on the right side, and it'll open and close the browser to whatever tab has last been used. So that's F5 to open and close it, or this browse button here. And F6 will specifically take us to the Instruments tab, where we can browse and load by dragging and dropping or double-clicking various instruments. F7 goes to the Effects tab for various effects processing plugins. F8 takes us to the tab with all loops that we can use. F9 will jump to a series of files that we have available. F10 brings us to the pool, which shows audio that's used in the session. Along the bottom, we have a series of transport controls, but key commands are better since those are functions we're going to be using all the time, as well as other song-related information for recording and click setup and positioning, the playhead and sample rate, etc. And there are many more sub-controls and sections in each of these panels once they're populated with tracks and events, and we'll explore all of these throughout the series. Now, you can also get to a lot of these panels and tabs from the View menu up here, so we can either show the editor from there, the console, and there are the corresponding key commands. So that's it. I just wanted to give you a quick first look around, and we'll continue with more in the next video.